What's the meaning of beatboxer? Beatboxer. Beatboxer.
Beatboxer. Beatboxer. A beatboxer is a musician who creates percussive sounds and beats by using their mouth, lips, tongue, and voice. They use their vocal cords to imitate the sounds of different instruments, such as drums, cymbals, synthesizers, and bass guitars. The art of beatboxing has its roots in hip-hop culture and has been around since the 1980s. Beatboxing has become increasingly popular as a solo performance style, as well as a collaborative technique used by groups and bands. Beatboxers often compete in battles to showcase their skills and creativity, using their voices to create complex rhythms and beats that captivate audiences around the world.